Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to manage graphics settings of the game. To find graphics settings of the game, let's go to menu and let's go to settings. In sound and display scroll down, and here you can change resolution, enable full screen and change frame rate. You can change graphics preset and enable motion blur, card pack animation quality and open match background quality. Next, you can manage battle graphics, park graphics and motion sickness reduction. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.